Fleur from Fleur of England. I am the founder at Fleur of England and I'm also the designer. The label has been now going for 23 years and we've had the same values around fit when we started all that time ago as we do now. Fit is so important to Fleur of England. It's the basis of everything we do and it's why we get out of bed in the morning. We want you to feel empowered and confident in your Fleur bra. So I'm here today with the lovely Sam. She's modelling for us and she's going to help me show you how to find your perfect Fleur fit. Step one is to find a non-padded bra, put it on, make sure that it feels comfortable on your body. It's the bra that you really like wearing a lot, and the first thing that you do, and Sam's going to illustrate this, you need to do a little shimmy and a scoop and swoop. After putting on your bra, lean forward slightly and use your opposite hand to scoop up each breast gently into the cup. This ensures that all your breast tissue is properly in place. Then you do the swoop. Lift your breast and position it fully into the cup, adjust for comfort. And then for step two, you will need a soft measuring tape that measures in inches. At Fleur of England, we always measure in inches. And the first measurement that we're going to take is the underbust measurement, or it's also referred to as the band measurement. So what you do is you take your measuring tape, so it fits really snugly, really nice and firm, and you always round down. So Sam is measuring just over 28 inches and I'm going to write it down as 28 inches. One little hint here, although Sam measures 28 inches, that isn't her actual band size measurement. Don't fall into that trap. Step three is to measure the overbust measurement. Now this is the fullest part of the bust and you don't pull tight on this measurement, you round up if anything. And Sam is measuring 35 inches on the overbust. So once you've got those two measurements, you write them down, you need to work out the difference between them. So Sam has a difference of 7 inches between her underbust and her overbust measurement, which means that she's actually a D cup. And you can see on the chart below that Sam measured 28 inches, which would actually put her in between a 32 and 34. So I'd always put her on the tightest band size. So I'd move her to a 32. So Sam would measure a 32D. If you need any help, please get in contact. You can email us at info@fleurofengland.com. We've got lots of lingerie experience. We're really happy to chat through anything with you, or you can have a chat with us on our website.